Alright, so I keep getting a lot of emails based on my videos and all that, and also some people will be giving some comments, and they'll be requesting me to make some videos on Vedic astrological questions. Yes, I'm definitely allowed to make videos on your queries. Do mention in the comment section as well. If at all you have any queries related to astrology, or you can even drop an email to me, I will definitely consider your request. Okay. So now the question has come: what is the worst house for Jupiter in astrology? So let me tell you, Jupiter represents positivity. Jupiter represents abundance. Jupiter represents growth. Jupiter represents development. And Jupiter represents finances, and Jupiter represents spirituality. And the people with strong Jupiter, they will emerge as a great philosopher, great educationists. Okay, and what happens when Jupiter gets conjunct with Rahu, especially, then there'll be a lot of financial difficulties, and this person will not be able to believe in the religion, and he'll be emerge as an atheist as well. Some people who have Jupiter and Rahu conjunction, especially in the first house, these people will not be much. They don't believe on God. They become as an atheist. For them, not believing is considered as a big prestige thing for them. So, especially Jupiter doesn't do well in the sixth house, eighth house, and the 12th house. Why? Because Jupiter represents positivity, and sixth house, eighth house, and 12th house represents Upachaya houses. So, during that point of time, especially in the eighth house, Jupiter is considered as malefic. He will not be giving the benefic aspects. Obviously, Jupiter, then the negative side of Jupiter is you will not be showing interest on spirituality, and you will not be respecting elders. You like to break the rules and regulations. You will not be, you don't show interest on following the customs, on traditions. And even in your financial side as well, you'll be facing a lot of challenges and difficulties. And also, if at all you are doing a business, you might face some business losses, or else some friction with the partners. All those things generally happens if at all Jupiter is placed in the eighth house. And let's say Jupiter goes to sixth and 12th houses, you'll be facing a lot of debts and enemies. There'll be a lot of enmity around you. People will be gossiping about you a lot. Okay, so all these things generally happens if Jupiter gets placed in the eighth house, especially. Okay, so eighth house is considered as unlucky house. Okay, the eighth house is considered as malefic house. All right, so this person will be facing low energy, low enthusiasm, and he'll be weak. His faith also will be very weak. He will not be believing on his own self, and he will be low confident. All these things generally happens, and his self efficacy will also be low if at all Jupiter is placed in the sixth, eighth, and 12th houses. For that, they need to follow the remedy. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and bye for now. I'll meet you in the different video. And also, I have made a lot of videos on Jupiter in Vedic astrology, so please do check those videos also. All right, and I'll see you in the next video.